Okay, good morning, student. Assignment number 3, geometry, part 2. Uh, Last we have completed cyclic quadrilateral. That theorem is very, very, very important. Now, page number 73, question number 3, mark star. Page number 73, question number 3. Quadrilateral MRP and it is given. So R is 5x minus 13, N is 4x plus 4, and it is given that quadrilateral is cyclic. S quadrilateral MRPN is cyclic, therefore measure angle N plus measure angle R is equal to 180. Opposite angle of cyclic quadrilateral are supplementary. Therefore 5x minus 3 plus 4x plus 4, it is 180. Same term, so 9x 4 minus 3 plus 1, it is 13. So this is 9 minus 9. This comes this side, or divide by 9. 9 ones are 9x, 9 ones are 9, 9 twos are. So x is equal to 20 plus 1, x is equal to 20 plus 1, 21. Therefore, measure angle R is equal to 5x minus 13, 521 minus 13. 210 half, 105 minus 13. 8 less, 92. So measure angle N, 4x plus 4, 21 plus 4. So 84 plus 4, 88 degree, and the total is 180. So your answer is correct. Quadrilateral is given cyclic, and in cyclic quadrilateral theorem we have seen that sum of opposite angle are 180, means it is supplementary. So this plus this is 180, so you will get the equation, solve it, you will get the x, substitute x, you will get the answer. Now next one, fifth, rectangle, square are always cyclic. Same proof. If it is given it is a rectangle, prove it is cyclic. It is a square, prove it is cyclic. So it is rectangle given. ABCD. Given that quadrilateral ABCD is cyclic quadrilateral. Sorry, it is rectangle. To prove that ABCD is cyclic quadratic. Step number 1. It is given that it is rectangle. Given. Therefore, measure angle A is equal to measure angle C is equal to 90. Angle of rectangle. All angles of rectangles or all angles of square are always 90. So that is same for the square or rectangle. Therefore, measure angle A plus measure angle C is equal to 90 plus 90 is equal to 180. Therefore, quadrilateral ABCD is from statement number 3. If opposite pair of any quadrilateral is supplementary, total is 180, it is cyclic. On that base, I have written the answer. Now we will go for problem set, because this much part they have omitted, inscribe angle segment wise and all. Two circle of radii 3.5, 3.3 respectively touch each other. What is the distance between? It is not given that internally or externally. So 5.5, 3.3. One time you take the total, so 8.8. One time you take the difference. So if it is externally, you have to add. If it is internally, you have to subtract. So answer of first is D. Two circle intersect each other such that each circle pass through the center of each other. The distance between their center is 12. What is the radii of each? A is the center of this, B is the center of this, and distance is given 12. So each radii is 12. Correct. So second answer is B. Third, circle touching all the sides of parallelogram. So the parallelogram must be rectangle, rhombus, square, trapezium. They have given information about opposite sides are parallel. So it can be a square also, but angle should be 90. It is a parallelogram. Parallelogram and rhombus. So above among this rectangle, rhombus, square and trapezium, circle touching to the, if it is a parallelogram and touching to the circle, then it must be rhombus, because for angle they have not given the information. Length of a tangent segment drawn point from the distance 12.5 from the center of a circle is 12. Find the diameter of the circle. Radii not given. Length of a tangent segment drawn from a point which is at a distance 12.5 and the length of the tangent is 12. First find out the radii. So radii square plus 12 square is equal to 12.5 square. So r square is equal to 12.5 square minus 12 square. So one time total one time difference. So this point under 100. So this 5 into 5 into 5 into 10 into 10. So this you can say 7 into 7. So r square. So r is equal to 7 into 5 divided by 10. So r is equal to 35 by 10. So the diameter is 35 by 10 into 2. 2 5s are 5 7s are. First find out radii. It is 3.5. Make it double. It is diameter. So this is 4. So fourth answer is C. 7 centimeter. This all assignment you have to write in your notebook. And practicals also I have given the solution. That also you have to write in the book. When school will reopen, we will check all the things. Journal, project book, maths book, assignment book. That is for your writing practice. Two circles are touching externally. How many common tangents of them can be drawn? Two circles touching externally. This is common tangent. This is also common tangent. This is also common tangent. Three are there. So which are the option? C. 6 1. ABC is inscribed in arc ABC of a circle with the center O. ACB. ACB is 65. Major arc ACB we want. Draw this angle. That is a cyclic quadrilateral. This is on a circle. So 180 minus 65. So that is 115. This is 115. Inscribed angle is half of the arc. So this will be 115 into 2. So 230. We want major arc ACB. So 230, that is D option. 7th, chord AB and CD of a circle intersected the side AB, CD. This is E. AE is 5.6, BE is 10, C is 8, this is X. ED we have to find out. So cross product, this into this. 5.6 into 10 is equal to 8 into X. This is 56 divided by 8. So the option number 7th 7 first. In cyclic quadrilateral, twice of A is thrice of C. Find the measurement of C. Twice of A is thrice of C. Twice of A is thrice of C. This is cyclic. So angle A plus angle C is equal to 180. You want angle C, so substitute for A. So A is what? 3 by 2 of C. 3 by 2 of angle C plus angle C is equal to 180. 2 ones are 2 plus 3. 5C by 2, it is 180. 5C, it is 360. Double cross product. 72, 5 is 360. So find the measurement of C, that is 72. That is B answer. ABC are on the circle. ABC such that AC, BC, AC, AB and BC 120, 120. No point except B is common to the arc which is the type of triangle ABC. If this is 120, this is 60. If this is 120, this is 60. Then automatically third will be the 60. Equilateral triangle first. Two arcs are congruent, so two sides are congruent. And both arcs are 120, so both inscribed angle are 60, 60. So if any two angle of a triangle are 60, 60, it is said to be equilateral triangle. Segment XZ is the diameter of the circle. P lies interior. How many of the statement are true? X, Z, Y is inside. It is not possible that X, Y, Z is an acute. Correct. It will be not acute. It will be obtuse because it is more than 90. First one is true. X, Y, Z can be a right angle. No, it cannot be a right angle. X, Y, Z is an obtuse angle. Yes, 100% it is obtuse angle. Can't make a different statement of measurement X, Y, Z. No, we can find out the definite statement that it must be more than 90, means it must be obtuse. So it is not possible that it is acute. So that is correct. Can't be a right angle. Correct. It is an obtuse. That is correct. Can't make a definite statement of this. No. Only three. So C. Last one is wrong. That is why. So on MCQ also you have to apply principle, formulas, statement. Do some rough work. try to get the exact answer. Then you mark as ABC. In SSC board, you can't change the answer of MCQ. That is very important. So be sure, be confirm. If you are not confirm, you are not sure, wait. At the end, again you try. But by this statement, by this formula, when you are getting a particular answer that is within the option, write with confidence. Don't write anything, and otherwise in the end you will change. So if it is change and that change answer is correct, you will not get the mark. Next. 84 third. Very soon I will conduct one parents meeting for 10th standard ABC division, especially for some instruction of SSC board exam. So tell your parents, maybe on Saturday, Sunday. MK is 12, KL 6 root 3. Find the radius. Measure K and M. From the segment relation, we have to find out the measurement of two angles. Because this is 90, that we know, radii, tangent, radii always perpendicular to each other. So from the side, wait, first find out this. In right angle triangle, MLK, ML square, LK square is equal to MK square. R square, 6 root 3 square, 12 square. 6 6 are 36 into 3, 144. 144 minus 108, 36. So R is equal to 6 unit. So this is 6 centimeter. Opposite to which angle is half of the hypotenuse? Opposite to 30. So I'll write ML is equal to MK by 2. That is 12 by 2 is equal to 6. Therefore, measure angle K. One is 90, one is 30. Automatically rest is 60. Measure angle M is equal to 60 degree, 30, 60, 90. 85 fifth. 85 fifth mark double star. Most IMP question. Today ma'am will make two group, slow learner and toppers. So that also I have to train in a different way, toppers in that way, slow learner in that way. So today she will give me the numbers.
Sir, 5 minutes left.
Okay, this is very important. We have to do EB 5.5. So this is also 5.5. AE 4.5. So this is 4.5. This is XX. This is YY. Why that I will write. We have to find out AD. So we have to find out X. So start from A. AE is equal to AH is equal to 4.5. Start from B. BEBF C. CFCG D. DH DY. Two tangent segment which are drawn from outside the point to the circle are congruent. So tangent segment theorem, and this quadrilateral ABCD is parallelogram given. Therefore AB is equal to CD and AD is equal to BC. Sorry. Opposite side of parallelogram. Now AB 4.5 plus 5.5. CD X plus Y. AD 4.5 plus X 5.5 plus Y. So X plus Y is equal to 10. This is equation number 1. Now X minus Y, 5.5 minus 4.5, it is 1. This is equation number 2. Now you join equation 1 and 2. So this will cancel. 2x is equal to 11, x is equal to 5.5. Now you want this AD is equal to AH plus HD. 4.5 plus 5.5 is equal to 11. In the parallelogram, whose adjacent sides are equal? That is a rhombus. So if they will ask to prove this rhombus, you can write AB is 11, AD is also 11. So it is parallelogram also and rhombus also. Fourteen is not there. 17 is also not there. 19 is also not there. Okay, Sri, how much minute remain, beta?
So hardly 1 minute.
So one with parents or student, I will conduct one meeting that is on Saturday, Sunday, and tomorrow there is a SSC board work. So maybe I am not available. So I will let you know tomorrow morning as per my school time. So tomorrow full day I am in the school. So might be there will be lecture or not, that I don't know. And one meeting I'll keep for parents. So related to the SSC board, I will give the instruction and do this practical practice, math practical book, assignment book. From tomorrow we will start maths 1 fourth assignment, part 1. Okay, thank you.